So I got a box opening, a knife I ordered from Amazon last month. The Flatiron. This is what's in the box. It's kind of interesting. It's like shaped cardboard. Oh, here it is. Oh, let's see. Just nothing much here. Alright. So we gotta cut this. I'll be back in a second. Actually, and you can see the clip on the back. Alright, I'm going to cut this now. Oh. And then I got to push it through like that. Alright, so here's the knife. They call it the Bold Folding Cleaver. So I thought it was kind of a funky looking blade. Isn't that cool? Pretty darn cool. So it looks like a liner lock. I got big hands, but they're still pretty small. So it looks like the overall length is 8.5 inches. Blade length is 3.8. Blade material is 7CR 17 MOV stainless steel. It's a cleaver style, as you've noticed, with a satin finish blade. Thumb hole for one finger opening, or one hand opening. Frame lock, it's a frame lock. And a pocket clip. They're calling this a finger foil, and they're saying it's a large finger foil, so you can get good purchase on it when you're holding it. And the handle is machined aluminum. The total product dimensions are 7.6 by 1.5 by 1.5 inches.